Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Out of the Box with Mytee Products. My name is Austin, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Speedster line of extractors from Mytee. Made with the cleaning professional in mind, every Speedster is powerful, portable, user-friendly, and affordable, representing some of the best that Mytee's engineering has to offer. I hope you guys are ready because you're about to find your new favorite portable. Let's go! Okay, so as you can see, I have two of the Speedsters here with me. This is the 1003 and the 1005 LX. They are all going to feature the same polyethylene housing, nice and durable, as well as the waist-high switches and bucket-high drains, making operation incredibly easy. All of the Speedsters will also feature the 10-inch foam wheels and locking casters in the front, making them all very easy to move around. Plus, they stay when you need them to, which is another handy feature. Most of the differences between all of the models are going to lie on the inside of the machine, so let's go ahead and take a look at what sets them apart. Starting with the base model, the 1000DX, which features dual 3-stage vacuum motors producing 200 CFM and 130 inches of water lift, as well as a 220 psi pump. The 1000DX is also the only Speedster that can run all of its features from a single cord, making it even easier to locate an ample source of power. With the 1001DX, we see the same pump and vacuum, but with the addition of a 2000 watt heater, which will help to quickly and easily break up grease and dirt. Moving on to the 1003DX, it's still a heated unit with the same dual vacuum motors as the first two models. However, the 1003 features an adjustable pump, allowing you to set the PSI to your desired level up to a maximum of 500 PSI. And finally, we have the 1005 LX. It's called an LX because it has two of our proprietary LX vacuum motors from Amatec, in addition to the same 500 PSI adjustable pump as the 1003. These LX motors are insanely powerful, moving up to 250 CFM to produce 180 inches of water lift, making the 1005 ideally suited for even the most demanding professionals. Alright, so now that we're familiar with what sets these models apart, let's go ahead and take a look at the accessories that will come with every Speedster from Mytee. 2-inch by 1.5-inch female cufflinks reducer, 2-inch by 2-inch female cufflinks, a hose hanger, 45-degree drain spout, pack of 25 piglet filters, pack of 2 Cutie quick disconnect safety covers, and 2 50-foot power cords. Don't forget the optional transport tray for carrying cords, chemicals, wands, hoses, and more. So, to get started, first thing we need to do is find power. I can use the included extension cord or cords to connect to my outlets. With the exception of the 1000DX, all of the Speedsters are going to require 2 separate grounded outlets. All of the dual-corded machines have an indicator light here that is going to let you know once you have your power configured properly. After I have the power set, it's time to fill up my 10-gallon solution tank. I've got 2 options for that. I can either use the included convenient faucet-fill feature here, or dump a bucket of water into the lid here directly into the tank. Now once I got the water set and the power is taken care of, it's time to connect my cleaning tool. I can go ahead and use the vacuum hose with the cuff links to connect to the vacuum port right there on the front, and then connect my solution line to the quick disconnect valve right there. So after I have my cleaning tool connected and my solution tanks are full, it is time to get these things running. Now whether I have a heated model or a non-heated model, the first step is going to be the same, and that is to prime the pump. I want to make sure that I have my prime lever here in the prime position, like so, and I can go ahead and switch on my pump. That's going to start running water through the washout hose that you can see here in the solution tank. Once I have a steady stream of water running through that, I know that my pump has been primed. If I have a non-heated model, I can go ahead and switch the position to run and engage my vacuum motors. I'm ready to begin cleaning. If I have a heated model, there is one extra step, and of course it is the heater. You can go ahead and select either 1 or 2 of the heaters to be engaged at a time, and give it about 8 to 10 minutes so that the solution has time to heat up. Go ahead and switch the lever to run, and I can engage my vacuum motors here, and I'm ready to begin cleaning. Now, once I'm done cleaning, I can go ahead and drain my recovery tank with the valve that's back here. Go ahead and give that a pull. We also recommend, after you are done using your machine, that you rinse out the recovery tanks. You can go ahead and use the washout hose here from earlier. Go ahead and switch this back to the prime position with my pump on. It's going to go shoot some water through here. I can use that to rinse off the sides of my tank. Once that is rinsed and clean, preventing any buildup or anything in there, I go ahead, close my lids up, and I'm ready to store this thing. Alright guys, so that's all we have for you today. If you want more information, check out Mytee.com. You can also connect with us on Instagram or Twitter, or join the conversation at All Things Mytee on Facebook. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you again next time.